In Greenville are reporting another spike in whooping cough cases. News 4's Angela Rodriguez is joining us now with the latest on this. What's going on, Angela?
Well, according to DHEC officials, through November of this year, there have been 18 cases in Greenville County. Eastside Pediatrics has treated 10 confirmed cases, and the office is still waiting on 4 test results from the past 3 days.
What's that?
It's an alarming trend that started in this waiting room back in November.
This is the first year in about 10 years that we've actually been having confirmed cases of whooping cough. And a little unusual, as most of our patients in Greenville are vaccinated.
Eastside Pediatrics has been treating about 2 patients a week for whooping cough. The patients range in age from 6 months old to 13 years old.
My chest has been hurting, my throat.
Braxton Cox is fighting a persistent cough. His father Shane is hoping he doesn't become the latest statistic. Doctors say the best thing you can do to protect your family is to make sure everyone is vaccinated. Even parents and grandparents who haven't had a Tdap shot in the past 10 years are advised to get one.
Due to older adolescents and parents not being vaccinated and losing their immunity from when they were children, they're carriers for it, and they're giving it to the younger children.
According to the South Carolina Department of Health and Environmental Control, through November 30th of 2010, there have been 312 confirmed or probable cases of whooping cough, not including the month of December. That's a 20% increase in cases. In 2009, there were 259 cases.
Highly contagious, and children or adults who are unvaccinated or have no immunity often get to the point, they cough to the point of vomiting. They may break ribs from coughing excessively. It can be a very serious disease.
Doctors say whooping cough is treatable with antibiotics. The most common cure is a Z-Pak. Doctors think adults could be spreading it, so DHEC officials say if you care for a young child and you can't remember when you had your last vaccination, well, it's time to get another one. The same goes for women who are pregnant or are trying to get pregnant. Nigel.